What's going on, guys? So I am going to walk you through a couple things, but the biggest part is probably how you're able to create content and save yourself a ton of time. Let's face it, no one likes creating content. It becomes very, very overwhelming. So what you can do is utilize AI to help shorten that process. And we're not wanting it to do the thinking for us, but we're just wanting to utilize it just for some of those prompts. So when it comes to AI, it's not about what you ask it, but how you ask it. So when you learn how to ask certain key phrases, it spits out the correct information. All right. So let's dive in. I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite content creation prompts in hopes that you'll be able to utilize it on your own. So this is my ultimate ChatGPT prompt. It doesn't matter if you're using 3.5 or 4, they both work. This worksheet is pretty much gold. As I've gone through and I've learned AI over the past probably year or so, I've saved my favorite prompts that I've used to help cut down content creation, how to create an offer, using it for real scripts, email marketing, how to create your target audience, a marketing plan, how to sell a product or service. My favorite is how to use it for repurposing videos with Descript or any other repurposing tool. That will be a whole video by itself that I'll dive into later. And then performancing metric, SEO techniques, building nurture, all of these cool things. And the latest one is that for anyone that is using a CRM of some kind, whether it's GHL, a white label GHL, anything with automation, you can eliminate ManyChat and you can now use your CRM, depending on what platform you're using, for auto response. And so what I just actually finished doing earlier was as I went through and I created a workflow prompt for an IG direct message. This is literally gold because now you can send lead magnets out to people instead of you having to follow up or have a setter follow up, or depending on what level of service or business you're in, you can set up a workflow to where it auto responds and it saves you a ton of time. So with all that being said, now that we've covered that, let's dive into this. Using a content creation chart. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in real time what this looks like. So tell me 10 frustrations, 10 wants, 10 dreams, and 10 fears that my audience experiences related to whatever it is you want to talk about. And then format the output in 10 frustrations, 10 wants, 10 dreams, and 10 fears in a table. The x-axis should be numbered 1 to 10, and the y should include desire, frustration, dream, and fear. So this is what this looks like. All we do is we simply copy this. It's literally copy and paste. And then we're going to jump to ChatGPT, paste, and it'll spit it out, right? Now, what I did not do was see where this field says what you want to talk about. I didn't insert that. So let's do it again. And I'm a fitness person, always have been. It's where I first started in the online space. So tell me 10 frustrations, wants, dreams that my audience experiences related to, how about this? Making money. So it will break it down into a table for you. So depending on what you do, what your niche is, whatever it may be, you can type that in and it will build a table out so that you can use this information for understanding your avatar's pain points, for creating lead magnets, for creating content, coming up with a content calendar. This is what I leverage this for. It helps me think outside the box. So now when I think of my avatar when it comes to making money online, like what frustrations are they? They have difficulty finding reliable sources of income. What do they actually want? To discover a stable and legitimate opportunities. What's their dream? Financial independence. And then what's their fear? Falling for scams. Okay. Now, what else? Let's look at some other ones. So high competition in popular niches. That is definitely a frustration. Finding underserved niches. That's what they want. And then their dream is building a successful online business. And then their fear is the market becoming too saturated. So this is how I create something like this. So let's jump back because I don't want to, I could do this stuff all day long with you guys. I just want to run you through and show you exactly how these works. So again, this is another favorite of mine. Everything that is on this script, again, it's just literally copy and paste. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste this prompt in here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change some of the parentheses, right? Write a script about what you want to talk about. Let's say and it's for an educational, informative 1-minute video. Keep in mind that the script's going to be read out loud and not shown on the screen. The script should follow this format. Now, you're able to change this stuff as you go through. So I want it to have a hook. I want it to pique the interest, talking about what the result they're going to get if they put in the action. We're going to discuss the solution, discuss on how to apply the solution, and then a CTA. The hook should start with one of these following lines adapted to the topics. Now, this is what you can change. I always change these up. So like, are you tired of, or discover the secret behind, or here's the hidden blueprint, like things that are very, very vague and are overused in the marketplace. But again, just for context, I'm going to use this. And then the total script should be a maximum of 120 words. You can totally change this up to however long you want it to be. Just remember, the longer you make it, the longer the video is going to be, or the longer the real script is going to be. So I want it to be 180 words with extremely conversational tone and casual word choice. We'll see what it spits out. And then this is literally how I create my content. I do this, I'll change up some of the verbiage, I'll change up some of the words, and then I will copy and paste this, put it on a screen, throw it on a teleprompter, and then literally read it off the screen as I record my scripts or my reels. So hook, are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck living? Discover the secret behind the 6-figure income online. Imagine in just a few months transforming your bank balance while working from the comfort of your home. It's not only possible, it's achievable with the right approach, and I'm here to show you how. The key is in building a scalable online business through affiliate marketing. This isn't about quick fixes, but real sustainable strategies that grow over time. Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about. Set up a blog or a website, create quality content, and then integrate affiliate links that offer valuable products to your audience. Use social media to boost your reach and engage directly with potential clients. And then again, your CTA, like I would change this. Are you ready to reach or start your journey to 6-figure income? Begin today by researching affiliate programs that align with your interests. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Create them. Let's make it happen. So this is a very, very vague description of how this works. But again, like, you're not having to think and write this stuff. Like, literally, content creation gets cut in half. And then how to do it for repurposing videos. So if you're not familiar with Descript, again, this will be a completely different video, but you're able to copy this whole prompt, use Descript to create the other script for you, and then paste it below it, and it will do a whole nother script. And so for an example of Descript basically just transcribes a viral video. So for context, if you got paper and pen, write this down. Go to Viral Finder. Use a hashtag search to find something viral in your niche. Once you do that, take that video and download it. And you can use Snap for Instagram, or like Snap Tick for TikTok. I believe that's it. And then you can download the video, just copy and paste the URL, and then take that video, drop it in Descript. Descript will transcribe it for you. You drop it underneath this prompt in ChatGPT, and then you already have a high-performing viral video. It's as simple as that. So I love using AI. I love learning about it. I'm not going to continue to go through this whole prompt sheet. If you want this prompt sheet, simply click the link below this description and grab it. That way you can use it on your own. And I love sharing stuff. So depending on when you're watching this video, there might be a ton of other value on it because I'm going to continue to add as I learn what performs best. So many different things on this, guys. I hope you find as much value in it as I've had in making it for you. But if you have questions, just shoot me a comment. I'll be happy to walk you through it. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video.